So this is the second spreadsheet that I worked on this week, and this one is for Frostyware. And the purpose of this spreadsheet was to track the yearly sales report for the Frostyware gloves. And there's a lot of things that took place in this documentation sheet. The first thing was the background. The background was changed into a standard blue color, and I just went into fill color and clicked the background. The fonts of the cells A1 and the cells A3 to A5 was the font was white, and the cells were increased. In order to get the borders in this, every cell to have a board, just click the borders and go into all borders, and that's the way I was able to get that. So quickly, I'm gonna move on into the glove sales spreadsheet, and let me change the layout. And there's a lot of things that took place in this sheet. As you can see, the title of the Frostyware in the 2012 sales report is Merch Center, and the Polyfleece mitts, which is the cells A3 to A16. The way I work with this, I just merge center the contents. As you can see, the contents are aligned, indent, and rotated. The orientation, I went ahead and click it and rotate text up, align it, and center it, and that's the way I was able to obtain that. In a shortcut, in order for you to just copy paste this instead of copy pasting or doing everything all over again, just go to Format Painter, double click this and click this, and you'll be able to get the same procedure. That's like a shortcut to get everything instead of doing it step by step. So let's go into the graph. I was able to the cell styles and to the format as table. I'm gonna click outside because I don't want to mess up my Excel sheet. But as you can see, it's the medium style table too, and I was able to get the format as table. Another thing, the book wanted me to add the total of each region and of each month. And the way I was able to do that, I just clicked cell H4 all the way to H16 and auto sum. And then I went ahead to the second and the third graph, and I just copy pasted. As simple as that. So let's move real quick into the page layout, because in this spreadsheet there was header and footer that had to be inserted, and so I'm gonna go ahead and just move into this section right here. So as you can see, the header and footer is inserted. I'm gonna go ahead and click and design, and let me move down, scroll down a little bit, and be able to show you the page number. You're gonna have the date, and let me just move real quick. The date, the page number, the number of pages, just insert it. It'll be able to display. And also the breaks, how to insert page break. It's easy. Just go into, let me just change it real quick. Just go into, I went to cell 17 and I just clicked the break, and I was able to have the page break. And as you can see here in the page layout real quick, on the view, you're gonna see the page break, page 1, page 2, and page 3. So this spreadsheet has a lot of things this week that I was able to do, and I'm glad that I learned all these new features. So let me go back into my documentation and just describe that when a data in a spreadsheet is formatted correctly, it makes it easier for others to understand it. One of the features that I learned this week and I really like was conditional formatting, and which draws the attention to a set of data using color scale in order to differentiate between a decrease or increase of the value, and it can be quickly analyzed. So I really like that. I used it in the first Excel project and this one also. So I love this week. Thank you.